What's up, Center family? Here's another episode of Tuesday's Tips. I'm Gavin Holsworth.
And I'm Gavin Holsworth.
Hey Gavin, it's been a while since we've been here, hasn't it?
Wait, you're not Shay Deer.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, our wonderful Shay Deer has moved past college, and actually that brings up a really good point. Getting a job.
It's a shame that we can't go to the career fair this semester.
Well, actually, Gavin, there's a way to visit the career fair, but do it virtually. Let's do that. To start, you need to download the Career Fair Plus app. It's going to be in the description, so if you need to watch this video as well. When opening the Career Fair Plus app, make sure you click on the Student tab so you can get into the right portal. After getting into the app, you just need to go to the top right and look up Oklahoma State University.
Yeah, Gavin, but how does this get me a job?
Well, Gavin, that's where the next section comes in. By using the app, you can schedule meetings, different recruiters of different companies, as well as read through their company description. Pro tip, if you go to the employer section on the app, in the top right, there's a filter tab. Click on that and you can filter between position and your major. These are some key tools to find the best job for you.
That's actually super helpful, but when I check the app, it says I can't make any appointments. What's that all about?
That's just the time that the visitor appointments can be scheduled at 8 a.m. September 7th. That's right, this Labor Day is when you can start, at 8 a.m.
Okay. Well, I gotta get my resume worked on. Do you have any magic for that?
I'm glad you asked, actually. If you go to higherosugrads.com and log in with your CWID, you can see the events such as how to make the most of a virtual career fair on Wednesday, September 9th, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and schedule a resume review so you can get help with your career fair needs.
Cool. Any other information for me?
I just want to let you and the students watching know that the SEEK Career Fair is Tuesday, September 15th, and the Business Career Fair is Wednesday, September 16th, and the Agriculture, Food, Natural Resources Career Fair is Thursday, September 17th. We know this last semester has been a trial for all of us to navigate, but I hope that you are able to navigate and get through those job fairs as well as we can.
Wait, other students?